Here we're giving you a look at the coverage for the 3D Seabed high resolution charts for the Turbowin, EasyWin, SoloWin Yachtliner family of fishing plotting software. On the left image we've got the European coverage that we've produced. On the right hand image we have the actual areas surveyed and processed. It's a very large amount of data, so what we've done is cut up what we've been able to process into about 26 different areas. We've got data running from all the way around Ireland, from Kinsale, Skelligs, Galway, all the way around Malin, Clyde, southwest approaches, all the way along the south coast of England, the north coast of France, the Baie de Seine, Pas de Calais, up the east coast of England and the east coast of Scotland up to Shetland Islands, and back down the west coast of Scotland, back down to the Clyde. On the right hand images, the black and red areas are the processed survey areas, with soundings within those areas to within every boat length. Outside the black and red areas, you'll see red areas further down the document, but outside these black areas we use a infill with a lower density set of soundings so that you've got a seamless product. So if we start off at the Skelligs folio here in the southwest of Ireland, you can see we have processed the data out to about the 200 metre depth line, 100 fathoms give or take, going way up into these sea lochs here. In Kinsale, the Kinsale area, we've got this set of data here. There's data here on the Nymph Bank as well. We'll go down a page and we'll look at the next folios up the west coast of Ireland. We've got Galway and Donegal, right into Galway Bay here, up past Rossaville, up the River Shannon. Up here we've got Donegal. Again, if there's holes in the survey coverage, the infill takes care of that. We move along to the Malin and Clyde folios. So here along the Malin coast, and the Clyde folio here joins up against the Malin folio and carries on round. Next we pass down to the Irish Sea. Here we are, Irish Sea and Cardigan. So we've got the Isle of Man data, Northern Irish data, up into the Solway Firth, down along the North Wales coast, carrying on past Anglesey into the Cardigan Bay. Then we've got the southwest approaches. Again, we're taking in a chunk of the Nymph Bank here with the southwest approaches up into the Bristol Channel. Then we start to see some updated data sets in the Scilly to Start folio here on the southwest corner of England. The red data has been recently added in the last few months. And again, Scilly to Start point start point to Isle of Wight, taking in some of the Channel Islands here. Then we've got Isle of Wight to Beachy Head, we call that the Shoreham area. Then we hop across the Channel, or La Manche, and we go to the Pas-de-Calais and the Bay of Seine. Then we pass across again to Dover and East Anglia. So you can see that we're starting to work our way up the East England coast now. The next one north is Spurn. I'll just scroll that down a little bit. Yeah, here's this coverage for Spurn. It runs from Yarmouth up to Flamborough Head, going past Spurn Point. And the next one up is Tweed to Flamborough. So we've added in some coverage here, filled in some blanks against the coast here. These red survey areas almost go right to the beach. So if you're doing inshore work or static gear, it makes it very productive for you. Then we scroll up, and we've got Tweed to Flamborough, taking in the first half of the east coast of Scotland, first part of the east coast of Scotland, going right into the Firth of Forth here. These blanks are being filled in continually, so we're working on that round the clock. Next we've got Buchan, the Buchan folio here. And we'll carry on up to around the corner into the Murray Firth, Inner Murray it's called here. Again, the blanks are being filled in as we speak. The red areas were recently filled in the last few months. To the north of that we've got the Orkneys, and again the Pentland Firth being filled in as we speak, and this is being processed as well. Then we go up to Shetland. So we've added in these red areas here, up around Walsey, and it's giving good results. Outside Hebrides, round past St Kilda, the Flannans. Then we've got the North and South Minches. We've made a lot of work out there. The new red areas taking in the Summer Isles, Loch Broom, Gairloch, the Sound of Raasay, into the lochs here, Loch Carron. Then we've got inside Raasay and Skye down to the Crowlands, and the top end here of this slate, and the going up to Kyle. That's in the North Minch, that's been added. And the South Minch, they've added the slate, Sound of Slate up into the lochs here and out at the Stanton Banks. We'll put a list of outlets where you can get the TurboWin family software at, and also these 3D charts for the TurboWin family software. If you want to contact us, we do have a list of local outlets. We've got about 30 outlets in the UK. contact your local marine electronics supplier in the UK and they will get the product for you.